Hi everyone, welcome back to another video for Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone in Racing Kingdom. To unblock someone on Racing Kingdom, first of all, open up your Racing Kingdom application on your smartphone and log in. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the two human icon at the top right corner to end up in your Friends tab. Now from the left inside menu, tap on Block List. Now you will see the friends that you've previously blocked. To unblock the friend, tap on the little minus icon right next to their info, and this will unblock them from the block list. That's how you unblock someone in Racing Kingdom. Using the block and unblock feature responsibly helps create a fun and respectful gaming community for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy gaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.